In this lesson, we will be upgrading ALM Octane from the version 15.0.60 to the latest version, which has been just released, 15.1.20. And so this upgrade is just a small upgrade, as I have installed it on my demo environment, and I will be upgrading my demo environment. So the backup procedure you need to do is not part of this lesson. So let's go to the environment which I will upgrade. So you can see already I have backed up my configuration from ALM Octane. So here majorly I've copied the conf folder completely, but what you would need is here the conf file. This is the most important you need to back up. And then I have the database backup and as well as Elastic Search backup. So now I will be upgrading ALM Octane to the latest version. So basically Octane is up and running, Elastic is up and running. What I need to do is I need to just run the setup file with administrative permissions. So this is what I will do now. And now the setup will start and extract the files and will come up with a wizard which will install ALM Octane. It already found installation, which is good. So I can now continue and it will stop the service by itself. There's no need for me to shut it down. So this is just a small procedure how the upgrade is performed on a Windows environment. So now it's preparing to install. We'll extract the files and execute the setup. And we can see it has already started. So this will go now the next 2 minutes, I guess, and then we will continue. So the installation process has just completed, and now it will come up with a success message that the installation was upgraded successfully, and there's a guidance now for the next step. I need to start the ALM Octane service and also monitor the wrapper log. And once ALM Octane is started, I need to insert this URL, but we will do this now together. So let's finish here and start ALM Octane. So I can go here to the services, look for Octane ALM, and now click on Start. So service is now started, which is good. And now we need to wait around 2 to 3 minutes until this is up. You can also monitor how the starting process is going. You can go to the wrapper log and look for what the content is of the wrapper log. So let's go in. And we can scroll down. We can basically see here at the bottom what's going on. And there is an auto update feature here. Yes, monitoring. So it will always update the log file when there is a new action performed during the startup. So let's wait. So just one line written so far. So let's try to update from here, not from disk. Yeah, we can see already it has started now with the server initialization. It's checking all the different systems like repository permission, memory, Elasticsearch. All is valid so far. This is good. Validation successful. And now it is starting the upgrader. And we are currently on version 15.0.60. So it's upgrading to all the different single patches and minor versions up to 15.1.20. So this may take a while. So here we can see it has upgraded to the version 15.0.61, has finished successfully, and now it's upgrading to the version which has been installed, which is currently the Oh, no, it's 20. It's not 2. It's dot 2 here, so it will really go up to 20, which is the latest version which has been installed. So it will now go through all those versions, and we will be back once this is completed. So server is ready, and now I can go to site admin and enter the upgrade of the workspace. Get to the site admin. It's like site. Yes, that's now let's enter login, and we should now be redirected directly to the site admin. If you would directly go to the UI, it will tell you you cannot enter because the upgrade is not performed yet. So now let's go to the spaces and perform the upgrade of the space. So we just need to select all the different spaces we have and say upgrade, and the rest will be done by ALM Octane. So you can see here the upgrade is happening, upgrading. You will see also the updates here on this side on the Octane version. And here, once this is completed and you have 15.1.20, then the upgrade is finished. I will pause until this is completed. So the upgrade is about to complete. So the upgrade has finished. So what I just now can do is I can monitor the background jobs which are scheduled. And here I need to wait until all the background jobs are finished, and then basically the upgrade is ready. But still you can already start working and check out the new features of the latest version, and see also if you can navigate to the shared space. So you need to go here to go to space. So here you go. So some highlights from this feature. We have introduced BDD testing, add colors according to rules, ROI matrix, email customization. Also the red line feature, face age tracking, additional platform support. So we just do not only support now Elastic 6.8.1, but also 7.6.2 is also supported. And some future looking statements, the ALM QC test run injection, which is about to release soon. So that was it, basically upgrading to the latest version with ALM Octane.